Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to print your reservation list on booking.com. So if you're currently using Booking as your primary business and you want to print the reservation list for today, for example, then all you have to do is log in into the admin portal, click reservation so at the top there, and you want to choose a date. So in this case, it's going to most likely have the current date, or if you want to filter it for a specific day, you can go ahead and you can change this to whatever. So I would recommend that you choose, for example, check-in or reservations, whichever you want to basically choose. Choose the date from here, and then you want to go ahead and click on more options, and you can filter what you want to see as well. Once you're satisfied with what you want to see, for example, you want to see people who paid online and it's okay, that's what you want to see. And you also want to see, for example, pending requests as an example, and basically all of these things you can basically filter whatever you want. And then once you click and show the reservation, it's going to filter everything, and you can basically click on print reservation. Once you click in that, it's going to pop up on your computer, and you can choose your printer if you have, and just basically print the reservation if that's what you required. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. We also have the option here to download the reservations, but this is really up to you as well.